Hi everyone, let's see how easily and very quickly you can add sections on your forms or surveys in BreezyBit within your Salesforce org. So we are in the BreezyBit Form Builder application. I have a test form that I created, and on the left side, as you see, there are form elements, and one of those elements is the section element. So if you want to add a section, kind of collecting different fields under a section at a title, kind of a subtitle actually within the form or the survey, you can use the section element. And what you need to do here is you just need to drag and drop it wherever you want on the form. And based on your branding guidelines, you can add colors to it. You can change the background color, the font you use, the size of the text that you use in the section as well. But let's say this is personal information. As you see, it changes right here, and I want to make this a bit larger than the regular fields. For example, I want to make this bold as well. If you want to change the color to it, again, you can do it really easily, quickly. Or if you want to change the background color for the whole section, you need a different color based on your branding, you can do it easily too. And if I want to make this, in this case, maybe white, it might make more sense. I can easily, quickly do that. And here in a section, you can add as much text as you want to. For example, I have, let's open this form, for example, and if I go to the form URL, as you see, you can add images using the HTML content, but using sections, you can add as much text as you want on your form as well. You can make it actually kind of, create it as a document too. So it's going to be really easy, really quick, using different background colors and different styles. You can use section elements on your forms. So this is how you can use the section element on your forms and surveys with BreezyBit. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.